Well guys, this video just came to an abrupt end. So I just checked and this doesn't even fit on our axle at all. Alright, we reached our spot in Mexico. Don't make a pull real quick and see what it does. Sorry, I had to. Hopefully, we got the right part right here. So let's check it out. Let's see if it fits on our shaft. See if it fits. Moment of truth. Here we go. This is our old ethanol shaft. Baby. How's it not going on? There we go. Yeah. It is dry. You know, things can be a tight fit when they're dry, so it works. Get this lubed up and get it on the shaft. Awesome. I was hoping that they'd send the right part this time because that literally set us back a whole entire week. Okay, real quick guys, so these 6 lug shafts are 7/32 approximately shorter than the 8 lug shafts. So what happens when you try to put the rotors on is it's a 1/4 inch in this way where it normally would be, and it rubs right here, right inside the seal. So what I did is, it's a 1/4 inch wheel spacer and Just put it right there. Now, people were talking about getting custom axle shafts made that were the same exact length as the 8-lug axles that we pulled out of here. But I figured I could try and run a 1/4-inch wheel spacer, which is 1/32 more than what the 8-lug shafts were. So I figured it'd work. So you put this on here with that spacer behind it, and it doesn't rub anymore at all. And it still rides on the flange to center it. 1/4-inch wheel spacer from Advanced Auto Parts, 20 bucks. And it works. I'll show you guys real quick. See, there's still plenty of lip for it to ride on. I already did this one just to make sure that everything lines up. And everything lines up perfectly. Caliper and all. Now I know this thing looks like hideous from all the, you know, the rust and whatever, but due to the time constraints, we're just gonna have to send it, guys. Normally I would, you know, clean all this off with a wire brush and put a nice coat of paint on it and whatnot, but we're just gonna have to get to that whenever we redo the entire drivetrain on the truck. So for now, we will have a locker instead of a stock G80 posi, which doesn't really work for drag racing. So this thing will stay full locked anytime you apply torque. The G80, that one locks after about 100, I think it's 100 or 120 RPM difference from one side to the other. Then it will lock, but then it will also unlock as soon as it hits 20 miles an hour. Boy, it got dark real quick. Okay. So as you guys know, we got these to put on. These are our traction bars by Speed Engineering, and they are for axle flipped trucks. The ones that aren't flipped, they'll have a curve right here. And we also got these. These just came in. Like I said, we were having issues with shipping. We got these right here. Drag shocks. Now I've heard good reviews and bad reviews about Lakewood. A lot of people go with Viking double adjustable, and for right now that just wasn't in the budget, guys. So I will be using the Lakewood, and I will give you my own personal 2022 review on whether or not this helps us or not, and the quality and whatnot. So we got traction bars. Sorry, we got traction bars, drag shocks, and locker. So that should help get this thing to give some traction, you know. So 4, come on. I just lit them up, guys. Trans temp got kind of hot. I'm low. Drive around